Tired of your phone slipping off your magnetic car mount? Scoscha's replacement metal magnetic plates offer a simple fix. These plates attach effortlessly to the back of any iPhone, Android, or tablet, creating a secure connection that won't let go when you need it most. What sets these metal plates apart is their extra strength adhesive combined with a heat-resistant, automotive-grade formula. This means your device stays firmly in place, whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on a hot summer day. Plus, the plates are 100% safe for all mobile devices, so no worries about damage. Compatibility is never an issue. Scoscha provides metal plates in multiple sizes, designed to support everything from smaller phones to larger tablets. You can stick the plate directly onto your device or onto your phone case, making it flexible for whatever setup you prefer. To protect your phone's surface, each metal plate comes with a protective film. This film acts like a double-sided sticky pad, allowing you to mount and remove the plate without leaving marks or damage behind. It's a thoughtful addition that keeps your device looking new. Inside the kit, you'll find both large and small magic plates, the protective film, and an easy-to-follow online user manual. This means you're fully equipped to get your phone mounted securely in minutes, no guesswork involved. One user shared how perfect these plates are for switching phones frequently. The strong adhesive means the plates rarely come off, providing a reliable hold every time. While extra adhesive pads would be a nice bonus, the current setup works seamlessly with Scoscha's magnetic car mounts. What makes this offer even better is Scoscha's commitment to support. Every purchase includes lifetime tech support and a 3-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence knowing help is just a call or click away. If you're ready to keep your phone safe and secure during every drive, this replacement kit is worth a look. It's a straightforward solution that combines durability, compatibility, and protection, all backed by a trusted brand. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your magnetic mounting experience.